Hello, it's Hannah here from Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line, finished in the head-turning metallic deep black pearl. This 2024 model comes with a 1.5 eTSI, 150 petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting a sporty, luxurious upgrade. Equipped with features such as the IQ headlights for great visibility. Sitting on the 20-inch York black alloys with electrical folding door mirrors for the added protection when parked up, alongside front and rear parking sensors and a reverse camera. As we enter the boot area, you can see this has a large space, perfect for those who like to go away on trips or just always have their car full. Moving into the rear seats with a part leather suede and stylish patternwork cloth finish with a majestic royal blue piping for that luxurious look down the side, with a pull down armrest with 2 cup holders built in, manual air conditioning and 2 charging sockets accessible at the back. Moving into the front with a multi-functioning steering wheel with central touch display. With a part leather suede finish with cloth patternwork, the front seats are surrounded by the royal blue piping and the R placed at the top of the seat for a sporty look, followed by the stunning rear tilting panoramic sunroof. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection. Here you also have access to the heated steering wheel, so in the winter when it gets a little bit cold, you know where to put that on. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving on to the central infotainment system, there's a variety of different radio stations to keep you entertained along your journey. Accessing the navigation system makes it 10 times easier to drive and to follow the directions whilst driving. App Connect allows you to connect your phone and Bluetooth to the car so you can choose what you want to listen to. Assist just allows that extra safety on the roads. Experience allows you to customise the setting that you want your car to be in. Background or ambient lighting allows you to create the vibe in the car by having a selection of different colours to choose from. If you're feeling like wanting a massage on the go, then you've got the option to with the seat setting. Moving on to the air conditioning, so your climate controls are accessible on the screen where you have the option to change to the rear settings but also to choose smart, where this allows you to pick a personalised setting. Moving on to the central console with storage for your phones or keys, wireless chargers, 3 storage compartments and a central console armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.